Hello, my name is Maria Rogova, and I'm an attorney in California, and I practice family law in San Diego County. Sometimes I hear a question: can I obtain a divorce without going to the court? The initial answer would be no, you can't, because only court can divorce you. At least you need to go to the court to file your petition for divorce. If you by asking can you obtain a divorce without going to the court, you meant without the judge making decisions, then the answer is probably yes, you can. How it works: you can obtain divorce without judge making decisions. uh, you decided to file for divorce, you still need to go to the court, either physically to file your petition, hire someone to go there to file it, or you can file online. But you still need to uh, file your petition with the court, because only court can divorce it. No other entity can divorce you except the court. You need to file your petition with the court. You file your petition with the court, and then if you and your spouse agrees on all terms, for example, how to divide your assets and debts, how to and how much and for how long to pay spousal support, or maybe no spousal support. Same issue with child custody and visitation. If you have kids, you might be able to settle this issue and agree on how, where the children will be living or what schedule they would be having. And same issue related to the children is child support. You might agree. There is a guideline that the judges follow when you go to the court and argue your request for child support. But uh, if you and your spouse agree on any specific amount, it could be below the guideline, it could be higher the guideline. As long as you agree, the judge will sign your agreement, as long as you are in compliance with the specific language. And again, you file your petition, you still need to serve it on the respondent, on the opposing party, either your wife or your husband. You serve opposing party. Then the second step, it's mandatory. Again, even if you agreed on all terms, this next step is mandatory. If you try to skip it, somehow your judgment can be void later on. Just don't skip this step. Follow proper steps while you go through divorce. It's called preliminary declaration of disclosure. What it means that you and your spouse will have to disclose to each other whatever you owe and whatever you own. Any assets and debts you will have to disclose. After disclosing your assets and debts, both of you can put in writing your terms you agreed on. Again, terms would be related to division of your property, assets and debts, child support if it's relevant, child custody and visitation if it's relevant, and spousal support. Those four main issues we usually argue about during the divorce litigation. You agree, you put it in writing, uh, you sign this agreement, better to be notarized, your signatures. You sign this agreement. There's special judicial forms you also will have to attach to your judgment and sign them. As soon as you signed everything, dated, put this package together, you will have to make 3 copies and take this package to the court. And it's called you drop this package. It's not going to be processed right away. You can either give your package to the court clerk in the business office, or there is a drop off box. You can drop your judgment, and it will take some time for the court to process. Our judge is really busy. Might take a week depends how busy your specific judge is. He or she might be on vacation, special trainings, or his calendar might be completely booked. That's why it might take a week, might take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, or 2 months. You will just have to patiently wait for the judgment to be mailed back to you. Don't forget to include 2 prepaid, pre-addressed envelopes with your judgment. As soon as the judge reviews your judgment, signs it, the documents will be mailed back to you, to the respondent and to the petitioner. As soon as you receive, there will be a date saying from what date you presume to be single again. And now you can be happy and move on with your life. And this how you can be divorced without going to the court. But again, as you can see, at least twice you will have to go there is to file the petition and to drop off your judgment package. Otherwise, you and your spouse will be signing the agreement, and the judge will not be issuing any specific orders. The judge will be reviewing your judgment, will sign it, and you will receive your package back. Again, if you have any additional questions, you can call my office, and we will schedule time to talk to you and explain further. Thank you so much for watching my channel.